Hello everyone, this is Lakshmi, your art teacher, welcoming you to today's online art classes. Today I don't know why I feel like telling a rhyme. Can I? मछली जल की रानी है, जीवन उसका पानी है. Any guess? Do you know what is this rhyme all about? Yes, it's all about the fish. And you guessed it right, today's topic is all about drawing a fish. In today's class, I'll be teaching you how to draw a beautiful fish using all the shapes we learned last class. So, let's get started. To begin with, all we need is your drawing book, sketch pen, crayons or color pencils. In this class, I'll be teaching you how to draw different kind of fishes using all those shapes. So let's see how to make that. First, draw a circle, a curved line inside. To draw the tail, I am using just curved lines and drawing the fins. Draw the eyes and the mouth for the fish. This fish is done with a circle shape. Next, a triangle. Now draw another small triangle shape for its tail and join it with a V shape. The same way the fins. Now draw the eyes and mouth. This is done with a triangle. Next, moving on to square. Draw a square shape and give a curved lines for its tail, wings, eyes and mouth. Children, it's your own choice to. Moving on next, let me draw a semicircle, that is the half circle, and join both the sides using a curved line. Draw the fins and tail of the fish. Let me draw the eyes and mouth. I am giving some curved lines for extra detailing. Shape would be an oval. Draw an oval. Draw the fins and tails. Draw eyes and mouth. Recall, we did 5 different fish using 5 different shapes: circle, triangle, square, semicircle and an oval. Color the picture using your favorite colors. Using all these shapes, let's see how to draw a beautiful fish. Now children, I am going to teach you how to draw a fish using all these shapes. First, a triangle. This becomes the face of the fish. Next, a square for the body. But the fish is too small, so I extend one more square for its body. We have the face and body part. Next, let me close it with a triangle for the finishing. Now I am going to draw a small triangle for its tail. Now the head, body and the tail part is completed. Now what's missing? Yes, the fins. I am going to draw fins using a triangle shape. Wow, the fish is ready with all shapes. Now let me draw a circle. When I put a line inside, in between that, we get 2 semicircles. Now a curved line for the fish mouth. Isn't it that simple? We did a complete fish using 3 shapes, that is circle, triangle and square. Moving on, we'll see how to do this beautiful fish. So let's get started. Children, we all know how to write number 3. This is how we write number 3. But here I am using the inverted 3. That is 3 I am writing in the reverse form. So to start with the fish, I am drawing the inverted 3 for its mouth. Let me draw inverted 3 and join all the 3 lines to the point. It becomes the mouth of the fish. Draw a curved line like that and we'll continue on the other side of the fish. Let me do the same here, a curved line. Don't join both the lines because I will be drawing the tail of the fish. Let me draw a beautiful tail of the fish using some curly lines or loose lines. Draw it in a free hand. Children, if you practice it, you can do it very well. Moving on further, I'll add upon some fins using the wavy lines and curly lines. Children, always practice the picture with pencil first and then do with a sketch pen. Now that our fish is completed, let me give some wavy lines at the center of its body and some curved lines for the scales to give extra texture on the body. Now let me give the fish a big eyes because big eyes are always cute. Let me draw a curved line. When I draw the curved line in between, it looks as though the fish is closing its eyes. But when I add 2 small circles inside the circle, we feel the eyes are very bright and opened. Let's add some pebbles to the picture. What are pebbles, children? Those are the soft stones that we place in the aquarium. So draw any number of pebbles, that is round, oval, anything. Since the fish is in the water, we represent it drawing some water plants. To draw water plants, draw a S shape and draw the other end and bring it down till the pebbles. Same thing here, draw a S shape and bring it down with the another line so that it looks like a water plant. Moving on next, I shall draw some bubbles. Bubbles are always round, so I draw some circles randomly here and there. The picture of the fish is complete now. First, I draw the inverted 3 and joined all the 3 lines to a tail. Then I drew the body and its tail. I did not join the 2 lines. I drew the tail. Next, the fins of the fish. Then the wavy lines in center and curved lines for the scale, eyes, and I drew some pebbles with water plants. Later, I drew some circles for the bubbles. So this is a simple method of drawing a fish. Now let's see how to color it. First draw orange outline for the complete fish, that is the fins, tails. Draw it neatly so that there is no white gap in the between. Highlight all the black marks with orange, then fill it with orange color. The tail of the fish and fins are in orange color. Next, the mouth of the fish is in red color. Body of the fish with yellow or golden yellow. Face of the fish, fill it with yellow color. Draw all the pebbles in brown or black color. Water plants with green. Eyes of the fish with black and green combination. Then for the bubbles, first draw dark blue outline and fill in with light blue inside. Children, now I will show you the difference using crayons and color pencils. The first picture I have done with you crayons and the second one using color pencils. It is your choice to choose which one you want, but the picture has to be colored very neatly and beautifully. So children, in today's class we learned how to make fishes using different shapes. That's a circle, triangle, square, semicircle and oval. Later we learned how to draw a beautiful fish and colored it. So now it's your turn to draw this beautiful fish in your drawing book. First practice it in your rough note and then do the same in the drawing book. Please mention the date and the topic as fish. Until we meet next time with a new concept, take a good care of your health and bye for now.